So basically, to make our chocolate, we use this chainsaw and we cut trees and extract the cocoa beans from the tree, or use a stick to hit them off. So the microorganisms will ferment or convert carbohydrates to alcohol, the pectin-containing material. And yeast produces ethanol. Lactic acid can produce acid bacteria can produce lactic acid, and acidic acid bacteria can produce acetic acid. These are all organic hydrocarbons, and they're all natural. So, and this process takes 7 days, and yeah, a familiar chocolate-like taste will appear after tasting the chocolate. And we go through a variety of processing. We go through conching. A conch is a container filled with beads, and these would act as grinders. And this chocolate, which is free-fined and blended, is kept in a chocolate container to restore heat and mass. After this, we have to temper it, and we basically crystallize cocoa butter. And the size of the chocolates can vary when doing this, but usually then we have to store it. The bad thing about chocolate is that it can melt easily and it can freeze easily. So basically, humidity and temperature are a very big deal when working with chocolate. Ideal storage is about maybe 15 degrees Celsius, 70 degrees Celsius, or if you wanted that in Fahrenheit, 59 to 63 degrees Fahrenheit. The relative humidity of less than 50%. There's something called blooming, which is what happens to the chocolate if it's not cared for properly. Fat bloom is caused by temperature that is too high, and sugar bloom is caused by mediocre temperature or excess humidity. And rubbing the chocolate slightly can distinguish between bloom type. Retempering the chocolate gets rid of bloom. And the interesting thing about chocolate is that it can also absorb aromas from other foods. You don't want that to happen. So you want to keep this in a packaged container. So this is how we pure our chocolate basically. We use pure cocoa beans from Côte d'Ivoire. And the processes we go through are conching, tempering, storage, and that's it. Thank you. Thank you for visiting our website. Hope you enjoy our chocolates.